I'm the math guy, Steve. Let's try evaluating this integral. So when evaluating integrals, there's a bunch of different methods, right? And so we have a bunch of different ways to try to evaluate integrals. Our first attempt is probably to try to use a U-substitution if that's possible. But there's other methods. There's partial fraction decomposition and integration by parts and trig sub. And there's just regular trig integrals, right? We have combinations of sines and cosines or secants and tangents, right? So there's a bunch of different methods to evaluate the integrals. But always try to use a U-sub first. That's what you should use. So let's try to use it as much as possible, just because it's a little bit easier than the other methods, okay? So, like here, let's try using a U-sub, right? So if we were to use it, we know there's two terms underneath this square root, so probably setting the inside of that square root, the inside part equal to that u, let that being your u, and then seeing if the du is somewhere in the problem, so somewhere in the integrand. So let u